Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again my name is Shannon, and on today's video I will be taking you guys to the farm. So just a short vlog, a quick in and out to the farm. Hope you enjoy.
Boing. 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 Boing.
Okay, so we just arrived at the farm, and yeah, if you see behind me the cows. My daughter is scared of animals. She knows the animals, however she's very scared of them. So it's gonna be a very quick vlog here at the farm, just so you know we are in and out. I'm sure you can hear her voice already at the background. Okay, yeah, like I said, it's gonna be a very short vlog. Simply because my baby, yeah, she doesn't like animals that much. Come see. What is that? What is that? What is that? It's a cow. It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo.
Look, it's running a mommy.
It's running away because of mommy. Apparently I'm chasing the sheep away.
Mommy, I see that foot now.
You see the sheep now. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What is sheep doing?
It's mommy.
What is mommy sheep doing?
It's a man.
It's me?
It's big, very big.
What's this?
Look, it's inside.
Goat is inside?
Yeah.
Come on, Mama. Come and go see go. Come to the food. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Hello, girl.
It's a dog.
The dog is doing what?
Dog. It's moving.
The dog is hoofing.
Dog. Oh, man.
Can you see the cows?
Look, swim costume.
It's not a swimming costume, love. Look at the No. Nana is dress. Mommy dress. Ne?
Okay.
Oh, swim costume.
Okay.
Okay, so we have quite a few cows here. I think my daughter has calmed down now, which is great. As you can see, she's so happy now. But yeah, we have a few cows.
I see the cows, Mommy.
Are they going away?
No.
What are they doing? Oh, the cows are eating. Yeah, so we have a few cows in the farm, of course. So usually in the morning, they let the cows out, they go out and they enjoy whatever the case might be. And then in the evening, that's when they take them back to the, to a safe place, basically. So which is quite nice because then the cows get a chance to, enjoy like a free space. They just roam around or whatever the case might be, which I think that is the greatest thing ever. Then later on, they stay in a safe place. Right. So this is where we keep our chickens. But there isn't a lot of chickens right now. We have sold most of the chicken. It's just a little bit. This is the last bench that's left for now. But they're quite big chickens. If you can look carefully. So guys, I'm sure you've already seen that we actually have a lot of trees in the farm. So we cut down some of the trees and they actually have good wood for a braai, or you know, if you're going to be doing a bonfire or whatever the case might be. It's actually one of the things that I get when I come to the farm. I love braaiing meat. I love my meat, guys. It catches fire really quickly and it actually lasts long. So yeah, that's one of the things that we have. Now, as you can see, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with my dad, my mom, as well as my cousin Tabiso, my husband behind the camera, and lastly, of course, my little baby girl. Okay, so we are at the valley now. As you can see, it's water going all the way down to the other side. But yeah, this is where the animals come to drink water. So when we release the cows and release the goats, the sheep, etc., they obviously eat what they eat, and then they come and drink the water here by the valley. So it's about to rain. There's thunder. There is hectic lightning out there. So we have come to the end of today's vlog. As you guys have seen, we have a lot of wood, we have chicken, and a lot more. So if you do need any of those, please do DM me on any of my social media accounts, or you can leave a comment down below. Nonetheless, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you again on our next video or vlog. Goodbye.